All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back. Not a Monday. Today's Tuesday. All right, so what do we got? Still got 14 minutes till market opens. Morning, everybody. Jay Hart, Corey, Green Trader, Chicago Trader, Easy Money, Nick, Rome C, EV Trades. Rome C, I posted a little chart on Nvidia on my Discord since I know you were one of the ones that kept looking at Nvidia. You got the move on it. I think all of you guys were saying it'll go over maybe 160. Now it's over 160, almost 170. Morning, Amy Young. Morning, Owen. But here, I'll just show you as well. Nvidia kind of getting into a rising wedge here in the last 3 days. Kind of getting tighter. I would see if Nvidia wanted to pop past 170, maybe. Maybe it reaches 171 at the highest, but to me it's looking a little overextended. And so I might be looking to go short on that one. And if you look at the daily on Nvidia as well, this thing has put up 6 green days in a row. So any pop on Nvidia, I might be looking short. Especially if we also break this trend line. So you guys can see my trend line here on Nvidia has been respected pretty well. I'm gonna do super accurate, so it's perfectly accurate. Touch there, touch here, and then another touch there. If we break this trend line and then try to push up again, so if we go back on this side here and then we try to get that push up again to 170, this is where I will be loading some shorts on Nvidia. So hopefully that sets up a play. Oh, I deleted my trend line. Dang it. So Nvidia is looking kind of interesting. I like that quick analysis there. Morning, Zach. Good morning, Tamimi. Good morning, Jesse. What do you think of short on SPY? It's at the top of the yearly downtrend. Yeah, it is. Oh man, my wrist just started hurting. I like just felt a pop or something. Oh, what the frick? Morning, the trader. So SPY. Okay, so SPY. I see exactly what you're talking about. If you go to the daily, it's into this giant pennant right here. So this pennant that I already have drawn right here, it's the top, bottom, top, kind of went, tried to break out, got rejected, went right back to the bottom, and now we are right back to the top of this. I would be leaning short on this thing, but not saying that this cannot break out. I don't see a reason for this thing to break out. I think we do get a small pullback and we kind of go back down to 390s. I hope, but I don't think we're going to get a big move until we break this pennant. So that's what I'm watching. So right now, I would lean a little bit more bearish, just as a pullback on that top resistance. We got 4 days green. So let's see if we can kind of get a blow off top today, and then maybe bring it back down, sell off the next day or two, and then see if we pull down to 390s. Now Tesla, on the other hand, though, so I'm pretty excited about Tesla today because I think Tesla kind of sucks though. So I'm gonna see if Tesla, I've been trading Tesla for a month and a half, 2 months. I'm gonna see if Tesla can actually do what the other market is not doing, because Tesla is one that's so beaten down right here, and we could not get over this 123 124 level, and today we already gapped up and we're sitting at 125 right now, hit a high of 126, but that is perfect. Morning, Didi. Morning, Tech and Money. Morning, Sergio. Morning, Kexodus. But that is perfect because this is that strong consolidation, that strong resistance that we cannot break right here. At 124.40 down to 123.50, about 50 cents there. You could go down maybe a dollar to 123, but that's kind of what I'm looking at. But if you look at Tesla today on the 5 minute, you are over that level right there. So you broke out, you kind of used that level there, you kind of resisted that level there, used it as support, broke out, went another $2 higher. So I'm really wanting to see if Tesla wants to keep pulling back to this area, 124, 123.50, maybe just bounces off 124.50, which is the top of the box. If this holds these levels, I want to see if Tesla can put up another nice daily candle. We could not get down to 100. We could not break 123.50 for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. And today we broke it. So if we get this push here, I want to see if Tesla can go from 124.50, 126, maybe back up to 128, 860. So I'm going to put this as my first. Wait, what is this target here? So I'm looking for that on Tesla. Um, what else am I looking at? As far as penny stocks, you guys got any good penny stocks? Crypto and crypto related stocks still strong. Jessica, good morning. A lot of crypto related stocks have doubled in the past weeks. So let's see. TLR. What? No, Tilray is a. Wait, Tilray is not a weed company. It's a weed company, not a crypto company, right? Tilray. Tilray Brands. I think so. I think it's a weed company. We're talking Riot, Mara, Riot, Coin. If any of these stocks, let me clear this. If any of these stocks like Riot pushes up right into the 200 moving, I will probably swing short. This crypto pump is not gonna last forever. Riot, Mara, same thing. Mara, big old squeeze. You were right, dang. I didn't. How did I miss this whole move? These things went from like $3 to $8 now. 8.74. Really, the only penny stock that I got is DCFC. But I'm gonna throw these down here just to keep an eye on them. So Mara and Riot. And then maybe Coin, but Coin's gonna be a higher price stock for you guys if you want to trade Coin. Coin is another crypto stock related stock, Coinbase, but this is sitting at 50 bucks, so it is a little bit pricier. But like same thing, these things are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green daily candles. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Mara, Riot, Coin. Oh, you got a couple other ones. Gree. Oh, Gree, yeah. Gree was on here. This is one we did look at last week. Keep Riot and Mara though. I think those are the most common ones. Not that the other ones can't do anything, but Riot and Mara. But yeah, so I'm kind of what do people say? I'm kind of in a pickle. Never used that before. Because I do want Tesla to go long. I think Tesla could go long, but at the same time, SPY is at a point where I don't see it going long anymore. I could see that thing turn back around. Oh, I think I fixed my TikTok. That's right. Yes, sir. I'm live on TikTok. Who's here on TikTok? Khalid Distress, what's up, man? Which stocks you playing today? Probably Tesla. I'm trying to see if I can get along on Tesla. As far as penny stocks, DCFC is the only one holding. DCFC is the only one really holding here. How much is up? Is DCFC up? So DCFC, we got 4 minutes till market opens. DCFC closed down here like 150, and it's sitting at 220, 230 right now. So that's about a 50% gain. Morning, Sensorchev. BBY is worth putting on watch. No, I don't. If you want to short it, yeah, but I think BBBY is done, dude. I think BBBY is done. Let me look at today's chart. Yeah, you might catch a small bounce, but I would not expect, or I wouldn't tell you to expect BBBY to get back into the $5 range. I don't think so. That stock is bankrupt. That stock sold off hard. That stock ran for like 4 or 5 days. Backside right now, you could get a move up to $4 maybe just as a dead cat bounce, but ultimately I don't think BBBY is going to get you anything more than that. CLXT, so you guys are calling a few stocks before market opens. CLXT does not look bad. So I'm actually going to put it over here. CLXT sitting at 55 high, way over the 200. It's actually sitting at the EMA 200. Morning, Kali Bitam on TikTok. So market's gonna open here in about 2.5 minutes. So I was looking at some other stuff from C, and it's like this web page that tells you like the company and like how much money they got on cash and how much like stuff. Like I've never looked at fundamentals, but I was looking at it because somebody brought it up to me, and I thought Newegg was a good company. And like I buy stuff from Newegg when I built my computer, and my friend buys stuff from Newegg all the time. I thought Newegg was a good company, and then I was looking at their stuff, and it seemed like they were low on cash and negative sometimes, and I was like, what the heck? Morning, Argent Trader. Tesla, I want to see if Tesla can run today. I think Tesla could have a little bit of a breakout out of reclaiming that 124 level, 124.50, 123.50. SPY at a major daily trend line, so it could turn around. Unless SPY breaks out of there and Tesla looks strong, then even better. But Nvidia, I mentioned Nvidia for you guys. A lot of you guys are looking at Nvidia. Nvidia has ran also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days in a row. I think Nvidia is reaching this peak of this run here. Could have another like little follow through here. Wild boy looking at Nvidia. Oh, you also called out Nvidia. I think Nvidia though, it's getting tight on. Look at my 5 minute down here. It's getting pretty tight on this wedge. It's ran for 6 days straight. I don't know. I'd be careful with this. Not saying it's not gonna go up. Not saying it can't go up. But from what I'm looking at right now, it would be a good risk to reward trade if I got Nvidia somewhere up here in this tight range breaking down, or if we break down and try to get that exhaustion move back up and we start rejecting there and then get that move back down. So you're calling out a few stocks that, but market SI is pushing. That's a pretty pricey stock though. So I'm going to, market's about to open in 15 seconds. I'm going to look at Tesla just to see if I can get a nice trade. I don't want to rush it right away, but I do want to see within the first 10 minutes if I can get a nice trade on Tesla. We could break out to this high level here. Market is open, guys. This is a little double top on the daily too, 125.95. So I'm going to let Tesla do its thing here. Don't want to force a stupid trade again. There goes Nvidia popping. Tesla, big rejection off the top there. So what was that? Man, DCFC though, I was looking for that one to hold and it's not. Tesla could, that ripped way faster than I thought. Tesla's going for it. Tesla's absolutely ripping. This right here, 126 down here, is kind of a daily level. But, man, DCFC taking money. What the heck, dude? My next target on Tesla could be this 128.62, but Mara is already kind of selling off. I do see Nvidia broke the top end of my wedge already, so that short is out the window there. Yeah, I see it now. So, I mean, I would like Tesla to give me a little flag or something because I do think Tesla could keep running. I don't know if it's going to run right out of the gates like this and keep going, but if Tesla gives me a nice flag here, I could see it keep running. There's no trades yet. I see a stock halted, so if you guys want to take a look at that, it's on my screen. Honestly, I was pretty lazy this weekend, so I didn't fix any of the stuff that like my camera and stuff, but I'll get eventually to it. No trades on Tesla yet. Nvidia is rallying. I honestly still think this thing could. DCFC is absolutely flushing. That sucks. Ah, these penny stocks are annoying, man. DCFC and CLTX both flushing. Mara is kind of holding up. I'm keeping a track on. I'm keeping track on all these crypto related stocks for now. See if we do get one last run on these. MGOL is the one that halted. So if you guys want to take a look at that, I had it this morning, but it looked pretty low. Yeah, this looks it's $16 on Friday, and now today is sitting at $5. That's a dead cat bounce kind of play. Tesla pulling back. Let's see if Tesla wants to keep running, or if that's a big sell-off there and Tesla wants to turn back around. I could see this previous high day holding down here a little bit. Riot is dropping, but Mara is still going. So, two different actions there. But I'm going to keep an eye on Tesla. This volume here is dying as we're approaching VWAP. Could get a nice pullback entry here maybe and then go for the next leg. But Nvidia's on fire. Yeah, I see it. Still keeping an eye on Tesla. Tesla could go for another run here, I think. I'm going to try to find the low entry. Nope. Dang it, I hesitated way too much, but dang it, that's going. Just like Nvidia, it's going. DCFC kind of pulling back. DCFC, good level to reclaim would be 212, 211. CLTX didn't do anything. BR on watch. Want to see a break and hold BR. Somebody's calling out BR. BR. BR just ripping back up. Oh, but that thing is also way on the backside of it. How's SPY doing? Kind of hanging around there. Tesla could not keep going higher. Still no trades for me. DCFC climbed all the way back up. did locate some shares on DCFC just because it was so cheap, but I'm waiting for that entry. Tesla, I want to see if we keep holding this 125.95. If we keep holding here, I could see the next leg out of here and actually break up 128, 129. But if Tesla cannot hold this level here and wants to fade back down, loses this 126 level, I will short it back on down. I don't really want to double dip, but this Tesla dip here again, DCFC looks tempting for sure. Yeah, I got some shorts on DFC ready, but oh my god, it's already going. And they were really cheap, that's why I just ended up locating some of those. Tesla, this is the place where I could see a bounce on Tesla, but I'm watching. If this fades through here, I will quickly go short. There's that 125 level. If it keeps tucking under this level, I'm going short. If this candle closes that low and tries to pop up, I'm going short Tesla. If this tries to pop up a little bit, I'm going short on Tesla. I took a small ad, dropped my share size real quick, took a small ad. No, popped higher though, it couldn't average up. Beheta, did you take the short on that one? Did you take the short on DCFC? Yeah, same here, man. I couldn't see it. I couldn't add size on this Tesla trade, but under 125.95 I could see this thing holding still. I could see it try to pop up here. I located them pre-market this time just because they were so cheap. Rumsey got a small win on MGLO. That's good. That's good. Still Tesla here now. This switch bias. So if it still try to pop here, I could still short more, add more, and I'm looking for the push back down to 124. I didn't take any profits on that play. I was up like maybe 200 bucks, but no profit taken yet. So I did add some Tesla on that pop there short. Like I said, if it popped to 125.95, I was going to go short. So I did add, doubled my position. Now I'm looking for this low of day here to break and Tesla to keep dropping here. I'm going to be careful here. I got to take that low of day and keep running lower. I need this thing to keep dropping. Otherwise, I got to cut this trade out here and be careful. But I need this to take low day. Still 10 seconds left. Let's see if we can get the push. If not, I'm looking to close this thing pretty quick. Jesus. I almost stopped out. I thought about it, but I didn't yet. So if this closes high, I'm out. If this hits a new high, I'm out. But and then I might actually switch long just out of that 125.95 level. I'm playing this 125.95 level. So I did get squeezed there, but now I'm looking long for high day and see if Tesla wants to keep running. I was only in 600 shares too, so I lost about $1 a share, which is not a lot. But big engulfing candle here. Now back to the green side, so looking for the pullback to VWAP to go long for high day, hopefully. I can't tell if my TradeCaster stream is resetting or not. It's so annoying. Tesla, a small little pullback here. I'm adding more long. I'm looking to see if Tesla wants to squeeze to high of day. Gonna descale a little bit there. Add it down here, long again. I'm looking for this pullback here on Tesla to keep holding. I'm looking for this squeeze to high of day. Here we go. Take me to high of day. Keep pushing, keep pushing. I'm looking for this new counter making you high and squeeze to high of day. Come on, Tesla, take off, take off, take off. There it goes, there it goes, there it goes. I'm gonna take some just because. I still have 1,000 shares left now. I went from negative like $800, $900 to now being green so far, but I'm looking for the big squeeze to keep going here. I don't want to give profit back here, but I'm looking for Tesla to take off here. It cannot. I'm gonna close that. Down 200 bucks. From being down like 900, I'm only down 200. I thought I had it there again. Man, but hit that DCFC is kind of upsetting me. We missed that short. Watch for CYAD short. CYAD short. That's. I still think Tesla could hit another high of day. BTCM spiking. BTCM. BTCM is about to hit high of day. Is this healthy volume? BTCM 300,000. New high is 4.3 right there. BTCM, if this keeps holding this level here, you get a pullback to 4. I would not be opposed to taking a long here on BTCM. And then let me replace this one with CYAD. Didn't get the pullback on BTCM though. Tesla, I don't know what it's doing. I thought I could get a run there to high day. So my level was just 125.95. That was kind of a daily level that I was watching. So it's not like I was just, oh, he's playing it long. Oh, now he's playing it short. I played it short under it to get that bounce there, and then I played it long on the bounce over 125.95. So kind of short here, kind of long this way, and then seeing which way Tesla wanted to go. Took paper cuts both ways, but I'm still sitting at just under 200 bucks of a loss, which is not bad, being down almost 900. I could see Tesla hit that high day and run, go for another run. SPY is looking good. Here goes Tesla. DCFC was a short I missed. I haven't clicked any shorts today. I did locate shares, but no shorts. I'm not gonna lie, the volume in Tesla is dropping as this pulls higher. Rome thinks Tesla to 130. Hopefully, if I would have gone. We are bullish. If I'm chasing this high day on Tesla, it's gonna be small size. Yeah, that's. So CYAD is still pushing. The only thing I don't like that about a long is you got a lot of room just to even hit pre-market high. Nvidia, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I was still sticking to my plan on Nvidia, it being a little bit over bots, not over bot. Well, yeah, a little extended, so I did buy some puts on Nvidia. I got them a little early, I think 172, and it still hit 174, but I am still holding some Nvidia puts. Tesla, I'm still debating, man. I'm still debating. If we break high day, I want to see this thing fly, give me a nice push. Trying to sharpen up my Momo setups this quarter. Fat G, you're killing it, bro. CYAD is still running. That I didn't want to short that one. It's still going. But I also don't think it was long yet. But anyways, it's going. CYAD is halted. I was also gonna say that last week everything that rallied in the morning pre-market or even just the first minute or two, it absolutely ended up dumping and fading. So I was like, we might get a lot of surprises this week. I like the way you're trading and doing live every day. This is nice. I can keep watching you all day. Awesome, man. Well, I only trade about 2 hours, but appreciate it, man. Can I check MGLO? MGLO, no interest in that. No interest. Look at yesterday on Friday. Look at MGLO on Friday. Big push, big sell off, and today was just a kind of a dead cat bounce. BTMC at $4 dip might take it. BTCM. I'm red on the day so far. I would like to not end red. BTCM still. Oh wow, Fat G is going long on DCFC. You find a switch of momentum over there. BTCM could still be a push back down on this one. Yeah, for the next leg higher, I could see it. Except this candle right here is a little bit of a stuff already. Tesla still to me looks like it wants to run. Looking at Tesla, see if we get a high day break and run. Unfortunately, not the type of trade I can scale in big, but I just see if I can get some nice trade, a nice trade through high of day, and let's see how high I can follow it. So we'll see. Not gonna buy just high. Well, let me see. 15 seconds left here. This is. Tesla breaking out a little bit maybe. There's a push on Tesla. I'm still in, looking for this thing to keep going. It's a high of day scalp, but I want to see if I can get the move up to 128 with these amount of shares. This is still holding. This is still holding this candle, this pullback here. This is still holding. I'm looking for to see if this one wants to run. When Tesla decides to run one or the other direction, it'll run good 2 or 3 candles, maybe dollar and a half. And I'm looking to see if it wants to do this out of this high of day. Here, there's a volume coming in. There's another high. More buyers coming in. Another high coming, maybe. Nope. But not making a new low, so still waiting this out here. There's a new high. There it goes. There it goes. Still trying. It's still trying. And then it kind of frees, and then it goes. Taking some out there. I'm looking for 120. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Another high. I'm looking 128.62. This pressure on Tesla is still pushing it. Still pushing it. Another high. I'm gonna take some off there. Now I only have 100 shares left. I'm only 20 bucks from being break even on the day now. I was down like 900 earlier. I wish that would have been my green 900 and then made another 900, but there's exactly 128.62 was my line and it hit 128.63. Wow. This is getting heavy up here. Alright, so CYAD finally resumed. That's into another halt now, I think. Or trying to go into another halt. CYMAD, let's look what the locates are. 10 cents, holy crap. CYAD would not be opposed to taking some shorts on this one, but that is a a pricey price for that. BTCM would not be opposed. If you get a low entry on BTCM, that thing could still fly. Wild boy. Alex Luciano, what's up, man? CYAD. I really want to click some shorts on this thing. I've located the shares on this thing. They're pricey, but I don't know when I'm gonna sell it. I'm gonna short yet. CYD. I'm gonna let this thing keep running up. The high of day is 386. That's crazy. Not hitting any shorts yet. 255 is a daily level. This thing is squeezing past the 200 as well, so it's looking good still. Did not expect this out of a long though. Around 280. I'm waiting to see the clear direction. Tesla's still kind of going. I went from being down 900 on Tesla to down like 20 bucks, 30 bucks I think. Dang, Tekken Money's up 190 on the day. Good job, Tekken Money. Tesla is still going, but now my attention is kind of wanting to short this. Yeah, I'm down 40 bucks on Tesla. CYAD. Oh, actually, I paid. I guess I paid less than I thought. CYMD, I'm looking for the big squeeze on this one. Tesla's still popping highs. Blair, did you take that dip on BTCM? BTCM is close to 4. Juan, I forget how many monitors you looking at. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 monitors, and then my laptop fifth, but my laptop is no trading related. It's my chat. But hit that, we missed DCFC up there. That DCFC play up there would have been nice. CVNA, nice flag for Zach. Carvana's not done yet. I had to skip that song. This CYAD is still pulling back low volume. Could see this thing push one more time. Now Tesla wants to run. Are you kidding me? CYAD, I'm going to be looking here pretty short to see if I can get my first short entry. If this thing tries to push through 50 again and fails, 255 is a daily level, so I'm watching. So somehow I think I located less shares than I thought though. Oh wait, never mind. It did give it to me. It did give them all to me. I'm a little salty on Tesla today, honestly. CYAD completely lost all his volume. Could be a good thing. SPY is a rocket. I see it. Nvidia did spike a new high, but it looks like it might have got stuff there, but it's still hitting highs. I'll show you my PC specs here in a second. Whoever asked me, I think Alec. Tesla, somebody said 130. Romsey, was it? You said up to 130? Jesus, man. I was in 1,500 shares on that thing at one point. CYAD, looking here, looking here. I think I can get one last blow off top, maybe 255 double top, maybe spikes up to 3 and then hit it there. CVNA, Zach mentioned a 5-minute flag right there, down at like 730s, 720s, and it's sitting at 7 almost 50 now. So good trade there, Zach. CYD, I'm looking for this thing. There goes Carvana again. CVNA, Zach's call. I didn't get to add high there, unfortunately. That's a false breakout though, but so far it's holding it. On CYAD, try to break out, fake flush, fake breakout, flushed, and held the lows. Carvana is still going, Zach. Are you in it? So I took a break-even trade there on CYAD. I'm gonna let it sit here and see. I added like on the way down here and then stopped out right there. So I break-even trade. Unfortunately though, now I'm missing. I don't get how people trade several stocks at a time, bro. Look at this. I missed this Tesla. Dang, Zach is nailing that trade there. Looked at the daily this morning. I thought Tesla could get a run today, and it is. So unfortunately, I'm missing this. And then CYAD just flushed a little bit. So I was short there and then covered it. Yep. But if this stock wants to run again, I will not be afraid to hit it again. It held that flush the first time, so it might have a lot of buyers in it still. Nvidia's still popping highs. Target for Tesla today was at 128.30, somewhere around there, and it's hit it. But it's Tesla. This thing could run today, could run until tomorrow. It could keep running. I was down like 900 on Tesla. Now I'm only down $42. So here's the 130 mark. I think Rome C called it out. Rome C's got 15 minutes into the future all the time. I do think CYAD was looking good for another push up, so I didn't put my full share size in here. But now to me it looks like maybe that was the move, that was the last push, that was the trying to squeeze. But I got an alert on it in case it wants to push back up. CVNA, holy crap, Zach. You got a target up there, 844. Dragon Trader, Zach called it out. I even read his call out too. It could go, it's got a target 844, 850s maybe, but man, he nailed that trade. Good job, Zach. But hit that, did you end up hitting any leverage on 1500? I don't know if he's leverage or not. I don't think so. What's up, people on TikTok? Welcome in, welcome in. I was banned from TikTok, so that is why I hadn't streamed on TikTok for like a week. There goes CVNA still. I'm telling you, it's got that 844 level. It could just... Oh, it's halted. Holy crap, Zach. Maybe Tesla and SPY could be getting at the top of this move here off of 130. You know, I say Tesla could run and goes in big runs, but at some point it's got to reach its high for the day and kind of turn back around. So I'm seeing if this 130 level wants to act as that level here. I want to see how this breakout reacts here. Don't want to go against the trend here, but I want to... Man, CYAD, man. I'm shorting this Tesla here just to see if we get to pull back under 130. If it breaks a new high, I'm quickly out on this one. Yeah, that's a weak break so far. There's a weak break on Tesla. I'm sensing that top on Tesla, so I added short. I re-added to that short, catching this move back down to... Now I need it to go under 130 though. If it keeps holding this 130, I gotta be careful. If it dumps under 130, I can hold them a little bit. But I want this push under 130 here on Tesla. Tape is strong to the sell side now. I could see those orders coming in. There you go. There it is. Nice little push there. I'm going to cover some just because. Right back up though. Yeah, it keeps holding it. I'm going to take that, and now I'm green on Tesla. Now I am green on Tesla. Oh, Carvana. Carvana looking like it wants to go again? Am I seeing this right? Yeah, I was looking at that trend line on Tesla. That's what I was kind of hoping to try to get the top and then get that crack. Nvidia 175 still pushing. Let me look at the daily on Carvana. This is also another stock that there's a lot of resistance up here in Carvana, but maybe it does get one last push. CYAD kind of coming back. Carvana still holding up here. I could see Carvana hold this pivot here from pre-market, this 785-ish, and get that last run to like kind of 844, 850s level up there. CYAD is curling back up, guys. CYAD. That one might have had a lot of shorts already in it, so if CYAD goes for another run, that thing could squeeze. Carvana holding this 5-minute pullback right to that pivot here. If you ask me, I think Tesla might be switching trend and could be finding the top here on Tesla. CYAD, there it goes. CYAD still pushing. Got a little downtrend on down trend line on CYAD. Wild boy over there hyping that Nvidia. So we got CYAD and we got CVNA both trying to go for it. Tesla about to bleed. I could see Tesla the reversal here. The trend line's way down here, but man, I spotted that high. I literally sold up here. You could see a tiny bounce there though. Careful if you're short. Alec, are you shorting Tesla yet, or are you in already, or what? I could see a bounce here though, so I gotta be careful. I wish I kept that short entry up there. I literally shorted way on this at the top of this candle, and then I added at the top of this candle. That is insane. I was in 600 shares. That would be over 600 profit now. Why is Tesla bleeding so much though? SPY is holding up, Nvidia's holding up. Wild boy. Clutch trace is long CYAD. I'm not opposed to that. So when they make that move, try to sell off, and then they come right back up and make a higher low right here. If this thing flags right over 2, well, 2 is kind of low. If this thing flags using the same pivot here, 213, you could see it go for another leg up. So this 213 level, that's where it was bouncing earlier. You've reclaimed that level 213. Actually, you longed it 203. Dang. At least I'm glad no issues with my platform today or stream. I guess it kind of reset once, but Tesla cracked the trend line here. Let's see if we get a healthy push, exhaustion push back up to 130 and can get another entry short on this thing. Never mind, no push back up there. My long account is sitting up $100, even though I'm hitting these bigger numbers on Tesla on everything, and somehow I just cancel out my big trades or my losing trades, and right back down to only 100 on the day, or up 100. I mean, at least I'm green. That's crazy. I was down almost 1,000. I think I saw 900 at one point. Tesla, if I get this pop up here, Fat G is all out of CYD, focusing on DCFC. Okay. Zach is probably still holding some Carvana over there. CYD keeps trying to go. CYD, watch it here. CYD cannot break this downtrend, but you might get a break here. I do have shorts on CYD, that's why I'm kind of watching this one, see when I want to click it short. Haven't yet. I wanted to see if it got the squeeze through this downtrend line and kind of stuff or something. Tesla pushing right back up. Tesla looks like broke downtrend. Tesla got a little bit of a pullback, but Tesla overall is strong on the day. So I would be curious to see if it pops right back up to a new high on Tesla. I'm looking Tesla now again. Jumped into some Tesla. I want to see high daybreak here with that big push back up. I know I said the retest, but I tried retesting it here, couldn't get it. So this could just be a reclaim of 130. If we reclaim 130, I'm adding for the break of high of day. Carvana going up for it again. Carvana trying to go for it again. Wow, I gotta stop that out. Never mind, guys. Do not long Tesla there. Maybe my initial thought was right. That is crazy. So low of this break could go down to VWAP now. That's what I'm saying. Unless Tesla reclaims 130, I guess I'm not bullish. Man, I missed both the short entries on CYAD and Carvana now. Carvana is still pushing up though. Carvana has that 844 target, so I'm back in the red, $66. Isaac, CYD gave you a nice green day. Good job, man. Nvidia is still pushing. And so far, I mean, I'm down 66 on Thinkorswim, and short account is pretty much break even. I literally took a trade there and it was break even. I'm down $2. Wild Boy's off to work. See you later, Wild Boy. Thank you for coming in here, boy. I'm watching Tesla and I'm watching Carvana as of right now. SPY cracking highs. Tesla reclaims this 130. I'm gonna try to go long for that high of day break. So right now I'm watching two stocks, two different charts. I know. I'm waiting patiently now. I still have locate shorts on CYD, but CYD didn't really push up, didn't really fail, flush. So if Tesla breaks this 130 and I can get a trade over 130 for a new high of day, I'm gonna try to play that one. And then of course keeping an eye on CYD as well. As far as other stocks, Nvidia, surprised me today. Did not think Nvidia could keep pushing it the way that it is. CYD breaking downtrend still. Trying to. Can't find out. Juan, you got any advice for biting the bullet to start trading? I got good strategies down and all. Man, you just gotta go for it. Open the account, start trading small, make small profits, get consistency under your belt, get the experience, emotions in check, and just go for it. Here goes Tesla again. I'm watching this Tesla. I want to see 130 to 130.50. I'm stalking this Tesla 130. Just cycle level here. If we break 130, hold 130. I want to see if this thing wants to take out high a day. Kind of looking at this trend line here also. You just gotta go for it, man. Just go for it. You got it. You got it, Alec. Come in here every morning, see the stocks I'm trading, see why I'm trading it, see which ones I'm not trading. If you really want the full mentorship, if you join my course, I will literally watch your trades every day. Like if you post them on there, I'll give you feedback every day. I'll tell you your entries, your exits. Yeah, you're doing good. You're not. So I ended up joining some CVNA short up there, but not full size. So not up a lot either. It's Tesla. I'm watching for this dent. Juan is great mind. Definitely listen to his trading. Thank you, man. Thank you, Clutch Straits. You just gotta be patient. You gotta be patient and find the quality setups. I don't probably trade as much as a lot of you guys do. You guys are probably scalping left, right, up, down, all of that. I'm sitting here patiently waiting for the good quality setup. I took a loss today, kept my cool. I was down like 900 bucks unrealized. I realized I was down 600, unrealized was down like 900. Uh, yeah, I do remember you, Alec. I do remember you. That's what I'm saying. If you're ready, just go for it, man. Here goes Tesla, still trying to push out of here. If I can't get this Tesla to a green trade, I will be ruining my green month. Here we go. Here we go. Over this 130, I'm looking long. To high of day. 15 seconds left here. Even a nice pullback down here. I'm long Tesla. Here, give me a nice pullback down low. I'm going to get my first starter just in case. I'm adding down here. Man, my freaking Carvana short, I added to it and I got to cover some, but now I'm in Tesla here again. I want to see this candle here hold 130. I got 1,000 shares long. I want to see this break out and see if I can get a nice push to high of day on this Tesla play here. I do have to cover some Carvana though. I'm in a pretty decent sized trade there. But I'm watching this Tesla. I want to see this Tesla here squeeze through high of day. One last. Nope. I'm out. Negative 400. Could not get that 130. Could not break that 130. So you know what? Let's go back down. If you want to go down, Tesla, let's go down. If you don't want to go up, that's fine. If you want to reject that 130 level, that's fine with me. Let's go down then. Give me a nice fade. Oh. This got so heavy though. Come on, keep dumping, man. I'm in so heavy here with such a good average. If I get this thing to dump, then it's going to be crazy. Come on, just dump right here. There it goes. Come on, keep pushing. Take a low and just absolutely collapse. Oh my gosh, keep going, keep going, keep going. I still have 1,800 shares left. No, 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 not a phone call right now. Not a phone call right now. I still have 1,600 shares short. Let's go. I'm up 600 bucks. I'm looking for this level to crack here. Looking for this level to crack here. Still have 1,400 shares short. I'm looking for that 1K day. I'm looking for that 4-digit day. I'm looking for that 4-digit day. Come on, give me one last push down. Give me one last push down. $800 up. 1,200 shares short still. I'm up $900, $800 right now. I'm still looking for this thing to dump. Come on, come on. Give me that dump. Give me that dump. $850. There goes another push down. Back up to $880. 900, 1,000. No, 999. I don't want to sell it just because I'm up 1,000 though, but I told myself today I'm looking for $1,000 day. I'm looking for $1,000 day. I'm looking for a 4-digit day. Keep dumping one last time. Get me down to that 128.62 that I had target earlier. Oh, come on, come on. It's finding a low there. It's finding a low there. Nope, right back down, 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 right back down. Dale Messi, dale Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi, dale Messi, dale Messi, encara Messi. I forgot I had Carvana open. Holy crap. This level here, come back and close under it, and get that next leg down. You son of a... 20 seconds left. I would like to see just reject now this candle. Oh my gosh. How does Tesla do this? Like it always does this to me. But I'm hanging out here. I'm hanging out here. Not adding to it, but if it breaks this... Oh, that's not even a nice trend line there anymore. I have to close it. Oh, hold on. I gotta manage this other trade. Dang, this one's also reversing and coming. Dude, I had to cover on Carvana and I didn't. I should have covered some on Carvana and I didn't. Gosh dang it, man. The feeling of defeat on a $500 trade. Hey, there you go, Blair. You're up 50 and you're still calling it. And look at this. It as soon as I closed it, it's still pushing back down. It's a little bit upsetting though. I was up 1,000. I saw the 4-digit trade though. I had it. I had it. Go Messi. Go Messi. Cut it. All right. Let's see what you guys said. 4-digit day coming. Congrats. Give on the dump. Spot dropping like it's hot. It's hot today. Need to cool down a little bit. Who was saying it's the bear trap? Dragon trader. One exit. I exited a lot, but I thought I could just go down to retest this level, and I was looking to take the big size down there out. And we have not touched VWAP, and if you look at the 5 minutes, that 130 level had so much resistance. I tried taking a log there, it didn't work out, but look at the 5 minute. Look how many times we could not get out of 130. So that's why I ended up going short right here. I caught this nice dump, cover some, but I was in 2,000 shares short. That's the biggest share size I've hit on Tesla all year. Well, I was long here. I got caught in that, so I went down 400 bucks, and then I ended up going into the short. to being up 1,000. So that short itself was a $1,500 trade, I think. Go to red date to green, always good. Yeah, yeah. Anyways, Tesla's tricky in that consolidation region. Back to green horn, nice work. Yeah, and I think that's the Carvana dumping again. I'm holding full share size on Carvana. What the heck? I'll show you guys. Oh my goodness. I have not covered anything on Carvana, guys. I shorted at $8. Gosh dang, I gotta cover some now. Hold on. Look, here is my Carvana trade. Short it, short it, short it. I added into the weakness here, added into the breakdown. I should have covered down here the first time, but didn't. And then popped right back up and then right back down to a flush. So crazy so far there. What's up, LFC boy? How's the course going, man? How's the course going? Pretty good, pretty bad? Feedback? Ready to kill it now? Ready to go into live trading, kill it? Hold on, I gotta. Somebody was calling me though, so I gotta call this person back. Course is amazing, bro. Yeah, I will jump in the market soon. There you go. I'm not even trading and I'm cheering with you. Tesla up and down fire must go down. Do I trade Forex? No, I do not trade Forex. Juan has plugged that, bro, for real. They just told me what I need to buy and sell, dude. Dude, I thought I had that Tesla trade, guys. I thought I had it. That is what I was looking for right here. This. Oh my gosh. That right there is what I'm looking for. At this point, it could just go down straight to VWAP. If you retest this whole level up here. Adding some small shorts here. I like how when I say adding small shorts is now like 300 shares. Adding into this weakness, see if I want to catch the pullback down on Tesla. I will say Tesla sometimes is pretty tricky though, because you get that move one direction, and then the next candle can instantly engulf it and just go right back up, and it's crazy. So I don't know if it's manipulated of just how it trades sometimes. Here we go, another nice trade here. I'm looking for this to continue down to VWAP. If it keeps rejecting this 128.62 level, there it goes. Right back down. Taking some out here. I'm looking for the move down to VWAP. Taking some out there. 400 shares left. There's a move down to VWAP. Taking it out there. Up $730 now. I was up 400 something. Now I'm up 730. Still 300 shares short though. We could get a just nasty flush through VWAP, but I really doubt it honestly. Carvana is still at VWAP. That is crazy. Or Tesla really might collapse. Let's watch. Let's keep watching. What is Nvidia doing? Okay, so Nvidia did pop a little bit higher. It came back down a tiny bit. Carvana should cover some more down there. I'm going to cover 100 shares here. And I'm going to put a stop at break even. 100 bucks. And then I'm going to go to Carvana. Managing trades. And I'm going to cover some in Carvana here. So covering some in Carvana for my short. Do you still have any Tesla shares? I have 200 shares short right now from a new trade. That trade earlier, I closed it all. But this one's still working in my favor. It covers some more in Carvana there. So, but still have a very big amount of my position here on Carvana. Tesla still dropping. I still have 200 shares short. One last dump here on Tesla. I could be covering down to this 127.9. Carvana, another dump. Holy crap, man. I'm going to cover some more on Tesla once the bottom out. And now I'm honestly just going to do... No, I don't want to do that. I was going to say, I'm just going to put a stop at break even and then let this one play out. Forget about these 100 shares short on Tesla, but if I put it at break even, I lose 60 bucks. If I lose 60 bucks, I go under 700 bucks. So I don't want to do that. Don't really want to do that. Technically, I'm still holding half of my short on Carvana, but oh, I have a question to ask all you guys, reminding me about that urban trades. So, because I've thought about it. I mean, 2,000 shares of Tesla. What is that? I just put in 2,000 shares of Tesla today. That's the biggest amount of shares I've taken on Tesla, and that was up at 129. Let's just say 130 times 130. I just put in $260,000 into a Tesla trade. Holy crap! I put in $260,000 into a Tesla trade right there. Now I know you guys are thinking, "Oh my God, you only made 1,000 off 260." Yeah, that's what shares do to you. If I put 260,000 into a Tesla trade, I'd make like 50 grand or 100 grand. You know, crazy. But let me ask you guys this: for those of you guys that use options, if I switch to options on Tesla, do I have to? If because you guys see how I go from, oh I'm bullish, oh never mind I'm bearish, oh I'm bullish again, oh I'm bearish. um, if I go to options, because you only put a certain option into the active trader, right? Dude, imagine if I still had those 2K shares right now, though. This is trying to find a low down here, though, so I gotta... I'm gonna close this Tesla trade. I'm up $740 on the day now. Okay, so it's not as you have a limit order in. It's not as quick. Well, you can mark it in on options, right? You might get more slippage, which is one thing that I never traded options with because sometimes I do options for swinging. And like it literally I will click a limit and it will take forever to fill, even if it's just a freaking swing. Like I want to get filled now, but if I do market, then you're gonna get a ton of slippage. But two, so this is my question. Say it right here because I went long right here. Got stopped out. $400 loss. And then I flipped short right there. Literally like a minute after. I stopped down here. A minute after. Add it. Like short. If I had options, if I wanted to go long here, I would have to import a call into my trader view, right? Into my ladder. But then if I was like, oh, never mind, I'm going long. Do I have to go back to the trade tab, grab a put, and then import it into my active trade ladder, and then buy the put to go down? Is that how it works? See, I don't know that I could do that because I switched my buys so many times. I would not have. I would not have. Oh, I covered that perfectly. I would not have enough time to do that. That is one thing. Unless you can open two active traders at the same time, and have a put on one and have a call on the other one. But then that also takes off a bunch of my space. I wouldn't like to do that. So I don't know. Because I know I'm putting a lot of money to make a little bit. I know that. But the fact that it's so convenient, I can go long, short, flip bias, exit out real quick. Even that, no fees, no commissions, no other factors to stress about. Oh, if it's a zero ODT or whatever, it's just gonna move even faster. I'm gonna lose my money no matter what. I'm always losing. It moves so fast. I can't switch fast enough, right? And then shares, there's no other factors. I just buy. If price goes up, I make money. If I sell and price goes down, I make money. That's it. Plain and simple. Yeah, urban trades. I know that. This might be your chance to short CYD. Locates too expensive for me. CYD. Uh, Beheta, I am still short on CVNA. Look at this. I added, covered, and I'm still short. I'm still short on Caravana. But another thing, urban trades that everybody tells me is, I could make 50K like that. But at some point, I still have to start off making the 1K, and you're like, yeah, you used less capital to make 1K, but you still made 1K. I could still lose 1K, and at this point, I could make 1K with shares. I could lose 1K with shares. It don't matter to me. I'm still doing the same thing. But yeah, if I start getting into this with shares where I'm topping out, and for me to make 3, 4, 5K, now I got to put up $1 million. Obviously, I don't got that, uh, and so I can't do it with shares. Then eventually, I think that's the time to switch to options. But for right now, I think I'm doing good with this, and so I don't see why I got to switch it yet. But I think eventually I'm gonna have to, and I really hate the thought of that because I am not a fan of all those options, man. Yeah, I'll definitely start with small share size. Carvana seems to find a low at VWAP. Tamimi is gonna head out for the day. Awesome, man. Carvana is pushing right back up to. What's your entry short on Carvana? $8, like 790 something, 96 on Carvana. And I do have a big amount of shares still open, so I'm hoping this thing pulls down again and doesn't get another giant squeeze. As a matter of fact, I want to put my stop back in place. Let a rain go. Rome. What did Rome do? What nail? What trade did Rome nail? Oh, wait. Dragon Flame. You can send the option contrast to a watch list. then clicks to switch like a normal stock, but it doesn't switch it on my active trader, which is where I'm actually executing the trades, right? Yeah, I have done that, Isaac. Like accidentally or meaning to. There's actually a button up here. Oh, I guess I took it out. There's actually a button on Thinkorswim that you can put up here, and I think it's called reverse or reversal or something like that. This is how I do it. Let me see. Oh, so you put it on. Yeah, but you still need to have two ladders open. Cause on your right you got the call loaded in there, but what if you want to go short? So you guys are telling me if I put this here, I can load a call here. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. So I don't even know how to load a call into freaking option. Let me go ahead and take this off so I don't accidentally buy 1,000 calls. Let's do it. You guys guide me. I'm learning from you guys. You guys learn from me. Let's see. Let's see. What do you guys usually try? I don't even know. Do you guys buy the zero ODTs, like the closest one? Do you guys buy a week out? Do you guys are the teachers now. Show me, guys. So let's look at some puts, right? Let's say I want to go short on Tesla right now. Let's say I want to go short on Tesla. If you're starting options, do a couple days out. So usually like that Friday always, like, unless it's maybe the Friday itself. CYAD hit that is popping up a little bit. Interesting. Hold on, what is it? 775. So, okay, let's say Tesla. Am I on Tesla? Yeah, I'm on Tesla. Let's say I want to buy some puts. I think I go to the ask side, buy. I think I do this, and then I think I go send test. Okay, if I do that, is it this one? Do January 20th, 129 put. January 20, 129 put. Okay, right here. And then which one do I do? Is it add to watch list? Or is it this bottom one, send to? I think it's this one, right? Oh, add it to new watch list. Okay, there we go. So I added to the watch list. But this is only gonna, yeah, this is gonna show me the way the put is moving. Oh my gosh, these puts go from $6 to $3. Hold on, I gotta watch this Carvana, and then I'm watching CYAD squeeze, which is probably gonna trigger Carvana to go for another squeeze. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, so now it's loaded here. Okay. So what I have to do is, hold on, I'm gonna take this momentum scanners out of your guys' way. I think I got it. I think I got it. I think I got it. So hide this, and then put that there like usual, and then hide this. So what I gotta do is, now that's a put, for example. So now I go, well, I don't have to hide this. Trade. Okay, back up to Tesla, and then let's say I want to get a call now. Oh my God, CYD! Holy crap! Holy moly! What the heck? Hold on. Now we gotta see this. But I think I know what you're saying. Oh, I got fully stopped out on Carvana. Dang. Okay. Okay. Back to this. So I go to trade. Oh, I know this one doesn't have options. Tesla. And then I go to the call side, and let's say I want to buy a call now. So I would go to the buy, click here, add to watch list, indexes, and then it adds it here. So now, when I go back to here, if I click that, it goes from one. Oh, I gotta remember which one's the call and the put. Okay, that's the put, that's the call. But if I want to trade it, does it go here? You have to have two different watch lists, one for your tickers that you trade and one for your option contracts. Link the ticker watch list to red, so when you change tickers, only that changes. In with your option contracts, link that to your ladder. So I have to make another watch list. Where did my watch list go? Oh, here it is. Okay, but then it's getting hot in here. But okay, so then I have to link this one. So pretend this is my regular one, right? This is my normal one. This is my option one now. I'll drag the contract you add to the new watch list. Oh, I guess you can drag them. I didn't know you could do that either. Oh, I guess it's already there. Oh wait, no, I gotta put this to a different color, lilac. Well, I guess it's there anyways. And link this to lilac. So if I go there, if I want to go put, I buy that. If I want to go calls, I buy that. If I want to go puts. Did you guys get that? Cause some of you guys. Hey, there you go, Fat G. Did you guys get that? On my tickers watch list, link it red. This one is already red, I think. So that changes the chart. So the only thing here would be, okay, so if I'm trading, oh, but if I was trading shares though, like for example here, if for example I go out of Tesla and then I want to trade Mara, I would have to go there and then link this to red real quick, and then it switches. Yeah, that would be the only downside. I see. So I would have to remember to do that, because otherwise that's going to be a huge mistake. Because, you know, these penny stocks, I take 15, 2,500, 5,000 shares. If I go to BTBT here, and this is still sitting on lilac, and I go, oh, I guess I would right away tell right here, because it only lets me go to 200. Yeah, that would make sense. I was going to say, if I end up buying 5,000 shares of freaking 5,000 contracts of Tesla and not knowing it was Tesla, I'd be screwed. Good job, Sergio. Good job, man. Way to not be greedy. Way to not be greedy. So this is how you guys do it. I'm gonna have to research this a little bit more, so I can get it down and then see if I can do this. I don't know that I want to trade options right away, but it does seem like it's the way to go. Now, does it also add to the same profit? So if I go back to Tesla, for example, here, and I switch to 1, no, my P&L is gone for the day. Does it also flip between puts and calls? I guess it does, right? Because those are two different things. So if I was to go Tesla here and then switch to, that's the puts. I'm gonna have to make this one longer. That's the puts. If I was to buy the put here, let me just try it. How much is one put? I'm gonna scale into one trade here once I see it. Oh, I know that adds up. That's why I was saying I wouldn't really like the oh, Carvana, I stopped out and it's right back down. I stopped out of Carvana and it's right back down. But this right here, Carvana, guys, this is my full trade on Carvana. I added short, added short, added short, max share size now. I was full in share size. This ad was kind of late, but I was looking for the crack here. Got the crack. I covered, I think, half of my position down here. And then I ended up stopping it right here, the remainder, but then just got this nasty flush, and it might keep going down lower. But this trade itself, not PR day, but close, pretty close, honestly. And then I did take that $2 loss on CYAD, so that doesn't really add anything. But I'm guessing it still shows me my P&L here though, but it's just not going to combine it. Like for example, okay, so this is a put. If I want to buy a put here, let's buy one put of Tesla here at this level. There, I'm in. Oh, it doesn't even show me here. Wait, that is gonna suck. I can't trade like that. Wait, does it never show on your it has to show somehow at some point. There's got to be a way to show it. I cannot. You need to detach a tab. No, I don't want to do that monitor tab. Let me close this before I just. Let me see if it even. Let me see how much I lost with one contract. I think I closed it at a loss. Should be a loss. Oh, I lost 20 bucks with that. What the heck? Just one contract. Okay, so I gotta go to ladder settings. Urban Trades, you're being so much help, man. Appreciate it. Gear well. Oh, that settings. Position indicator? Oh, look up a button. P. God, I'm learning from y'all guys. P. Well, I only see position indicator if that's what you're trying to lead me to. Oh, Carvana, bro. Carvana. It's the smaller one. Dragon Flame is saying it's a position indicator. Is it this one? Position indicator. There it is. What does that do? So this is another put. Oh, the little one. And then customize, I'm guessing. And then P&L. PL open. There we go. Add items. Okay. Now where does that show it? Let's see if I want to buy another put here. Then customize it shows PL open. So I'm getting ready to see this Tesla drop right here down to 128. Customize your ladder to have position indicator. Okay, no phone, no phone, no. Okay, let's see. Let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. Let's see. Tesla going down to VWAP. Oh, what a nasty fill. Oh, okay. So it says position 1 there. It tells me how much I'm long. Oh, let's go, baby. I can't tell how much I'm up, though. Is this it? I'm up $5 right here? Is that what this is? Because I bought it right there at $4. I bought it. No, I bought it at $3.95. Zero, and it's sitting at 405, so it's sitting at $10 profit there, right? That is hard to tell, man. Look at this jump to 127.9 right here. Alright, look at this beautiful trade, guys. Down to 127.9. One last push. Double bottom this wick here. I'm closing it. Okay, so I should be zeroed out. I made $7, $6 on that trade. Alright. It's a little tricky. It's a little tricky. Gets the job done, but it's a little tricky. So the first trade I lost $20, which I thought the move on the first trade was about the same as the second one. I think I shorted here, stopped out there, and this one I shorted there and stopped out. Well, maybe not, but I lost $20 the first one, and then I made $6 back on the second one. But then again, I guess I took $2.60 of commissions there. BTCM is still going? You guys are saying BTCM is still going? Oh my gosh, BTCM is still going. So thank you for that, Urban Traits. Thanks for stopping by in here and helping me out. That was awesome. I now know how to do it. I gotta save all of this now, so I can have it saved. So I'll do. Let me go up to Tesla. Oh, but I guess I'm gonna have to. I guess I'm gonna have to change these all the time, every day. But I still the setup, so I could do save workspace as options day trading and save that. There we go. There goes my lunch money for real, dude. There goes my Jack in the Box tacos, $2.60. Gets me a couple of them, dude. Once you learn options, you will add a 0 to your P&L every day. Huh. Hopefully, man, I could add a 0 to my P&L, or I could lose a 0 P&L. Let me go ahead and import my trades. I think Carvana, I piked that thing, dude. Gosh dang it. Oh, I'm so upset on Carvana, bro. I'm so upset. Same on losses, bro. I hope my first one is a 5,000 gain though. So let me switch here. So I did make, oh my god, I traded 8,000 shares of Tesla. So I did make 740. Today was tough again. I had a few trades through here. I'm gonna go back and have to reassess some of these trades. I know I shorted here. I know I longed through here. But somewhere in here, I got down like $900. I don't know where exactly, and then I missed this whole run here. Got back to break even somewhere up here. Oh, I nailed the top. Absolutely nailed the top. Short at 600 shares up here on these two candles. Short at 600 shares there, but covered too early, so cover there instead of catching this move down here. That would have been nice. Kind of left most of this alone. Got caught up in this red candle there. So that's where I took the $400 loss. I went back down to 500 on the day, and then one trade right here. It's this one trade. Shorted on that green candle. As it popped up, shorted again. Added to it. Added to it. I was in 2,000 shares long on Tesla. Short. Sorry. Short on Tesla. And this average was perfect. Like, with this candle right here, somewhere around there, I was break even. Like, I had no stress on that trade at the beginning. So shorted there, got the move down. At this point, I was up 1,000 on the trade there. Pushed all the way back up, stopped it out, got 500, and then ended up going back down. Isn't that crazy though? Like I was up 1,000 here. That's 128.70s. If I would have held it, still went down to 128, another 70 cents. With 2,000 shares, that's $1,500 extra. That would have been a 3K trade. Oh, it's per contract too. Holy crap, dude. If I take 10 contracts times 1. Oh, I guess it's 1.3 just in general. 13 bucks, never mind. So 65 cents 6 in, 65 cents out. Paper trade is the best. Alright, let me see. There's a better way. If you're only scalping trading, this week's options are fine. If you're swinging, trade a week or two at least so you don't get killed with that time decay. If I do it, I'm probably just going to do the ones today. Like, not today, like, upcoming. Alright, TikTok. Are you reading my messages? Crow Finance. Yeah, what's up, man? I had to do some stuff and then I got a phone call, so I got distracted. But I am back on TikTok. What's up? If you guys have any questions on TikTok, let me know right now so I can read the comments. I don't know how old you posted that, and I'm sorry, man, I missed it. But then again, I do prioritize my YouTube and Tradecaster stream. But if you have any questions now, go ahead and cheer them up. I read cheering and I said that. 10 contracts is the same as buying 1,000 shares. Okay, so I should probably start somewhere around there. 5, 10 contracts. Today I would have technically bought 20 contracts. Yo, I'm definitely gonna start small. Because you told me short. Yeah, I was in that Tesla short, man. And I did read your comment up there when that happened. Good call, man. I hope you're banking on it. Hope you're making money on it. So I trade basically 10 times my P&L every day. However, the first couple months were rough. I almost gave up. Been trading over 4 years now. Yeah, I've only been trading 1 year and I've had my ups and downs for sure. Most traders that throw size around eventually graduate to options. I think you are right, but I just tried waiting as long as possible. I didn't really like options. But I know, like I said today, Putting up $260,000 just to get $1,000 does not seem right. Which in this case, it don't matter to me. If I had like 5 million and could trade Tesla with shares, I'd probably still trade the shares. You know, if I made 5K a day, that's fine with me. But yeah, I will never hit 40, 30, 50, 70, 80K a day with shares. It's just impossible. And even that, I hadn't been trading Tesla for long. Like if you look at my trader view, I've been trading Tesla for literally 2 months, maybe. Let me look. 1, 2, yeah, like 2 months total. So this is all filtered by Tesla. Obviously, this year I started off with Tesla a lot, so it's filtered by Tesla every day. This year I've been green on Tesla, but 2022, you know, I'd maybe traded a few Tesla here, but I started in November. November, I started trading Tesla, and not even every day. So I traded it. Holy crap, this is kind of insane. Trading Tesla, I've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red days out of that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 22 plus 5, 27, 28 plus 4, 32. Out of 32 days I've traded well, I guess these two here, but mostly these when I was actually trading it. Out of 32 days of trading Tesla, only 5 red days. That's kind of crazy. That's kind of crazy. Anyway, so that is all the trading I've done on Tesla. So like I said, haven't been trading Tesla much, but it's so far this year it's absolutely killing it for me. And so I'm gonna keep doing it. And if I have to graduate to options, then I'll do it. But either way, right here, still all green. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm halfway through the month. Oh my god, this feels so long. I'm halfway through the month, and I'm all green, but it's only halfway. That's crazy. But I'm not focusing on that. I'm focusing on the trades. I'm focusing on every single day. And technically, I might even be close to my highest win streak ever. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm at 15 days. What did I say it was last time? Hold on. So I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus the 10 here. That's 15. I think my biggest run was 2021. Right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. 18, and then this day right here was like $18 loss. I remember that. So technically could have been 20, 22, 24. It could have been 24, but legally, not legally, officially, 18 days in a row, and right now I'm sitting at 15. Let me see. What are you guys talking? Just sold some meta puts at 50%. It's been a good day between BOR and meta. Good job, bro. Good job, man. Isaac is calling it there up for the day. Good job. What is Amazon doing? I'm gonna delete this now since I got my other one. Oh, Amazon is selling off. How is Amazon selling off when Spy and oh, now I gotta switch this to. Oh, wrong one. Which one do I not have? Yellow, orange, purple, brown, green, blue, lilac. Oh, never mind. It's linked to the other one now. Maroon. Can I unlink it? Yeah, I could do unlink. Alright, so now maybe switching to long calls on meta soon. Let me look at meta for you. How's everybody doing? Thank you, Urban Traits, again, man. Again. Oh, you're heading out for the day. Thank you for all that help, bro. That was awesome. Appreciate it, man. So that's what we do here. We help each other out. So thank you for that. Spy came right into bear market downtrend and rejected that daily level, right? Yeah, I saw it. Carvana's the only one I'm a little bit upset about. I covered mostly 7.6 and then got stopped 7.75 and we're now sitting at 7.4. So an extra 30-40 cents there that I'm missing out on that short. Uh. You're not going up there. Jesse, what's up, man? Thanks for that, man. Cat. Hold on, I'm fighting a cat right now. Donation from Jesse, man. This is my year. This is my year, man. I'm going for those big numbers. I'm scaling up. I'm pushing it. I'm feeling uncomfortable, but I like it. Kind of unfortunate though. I did take some pretty big sized losses today. I mean, my P&L was all over the place. I got to go back and you guys go back and watch my live trades, man. You guys got to go back and watch my live trading. See how I'm trading, see how I'm reacting, see how quickly I stop out and come back in. A lot of the trades today, I was wrong. I went down 900. I went down 500 twice, I think. Sitting in not my biggest green, but that's a decent green, and I'm gonna call it here for now. For now, I could still see other stuff setting up. BTCM is still interesting. That one still looks like a flag up there, but it was rough. But I got it done. I got it done. Out with a green and a decent green. I'm sure a lot of us would kill to have $750 and 2 hours of trading. So I'm happy with that. But yeah, everybody say thank you to Jesse again. Jesse has been here from almost the beginning, I want to say. Pretty early he's been here. So appreciate that, Jesse. Thank you a lot. And there's my lunch money back though. Now I can get more than 4 Jack in the Box tacos too now. That one right there includes some fries and a drink, and I like it. That's some fries and a drink right there. Maybe even a large drink too. We'll see. We'll see. Thank you, Jesse. Thank you. Second or third day streaming. That's crazy. Thank you, man. So Tesla was looking good, was looking strong. SPY was looking good, was looking strong, and right now they're both dropping. Nvidia too, dropping. I do have some those what you trading in this moment? I'm not trading anything right now. Krill Finance. I think I'm done for the day. I'm up. I guess I was up 740 and I lost 16 bucks because of the options. So I really am up 730, I believe. $726 for today. So, but this is what I was saying. Look at my P&L today. Down 200, up 200, down 600, up 500, up 800, finishing at 720. But this doesn't even show all of it. But oh well. But today 730, yesterday 700, day before that 800, 600. Those are solid days. Gosh dang, Jesse. Your account is up 40% today. You shorted SPY at 400. I wish I would have seen that. I didn't pay attention to it. The $400 mark on SPY. Oh my gosh, clean shorts there too. Kind of did what Tesla did, gets a nice push, consolidate it, gotta create at the top, and as soon as you see that rejection start falling, cracking, you can add on those pops, and you would have gotten the nice fade down here on Tesla. I didn't quite get it. I didn't quite get it right here. It just didn't drop like I wanted it to right here. I really thought this candle here could go down lower there, pop a little bit, and then go down to VWAP there. That's what I was looking for. That would have been my 4K digit trade here, which I've had 4-digit numbers in a while. I've had 4K digit trade. I've had 4-figure days before. It's nothing crazy, but just haven't had one this year so far. And I feel like I should have had at least 4 or 5 by now. Yeah, Jesse trades those puts. And then my short account only took one short today. A little bit unfortunate though because I located shares on three different stocks. I located shares on DCFC, which didn't get to click the sell button. I located shares on CYAD, which I almost shorted that pop that got instantly flushed. Didn't get it, so none there. And actually, those were the priciest ones. I paid almost 10 cents per share on that. So nothing there, man. And then the one that I did take advantage was Carvana, which made for all of those fees, but definitely makes the day smaller just because of fees. But happy about that. Yeah, good job, Jesse. Way good day there. So how's everybody doing today? Awesome comeback on Tesla one. Thank you, Chicago Trader. Are you guys green? Are you guys red? I want to see it. I want to see the numbers. I want to see it. Not numbers. I want to see the green or the red. The green or the red. Everybody in here. Even on TikTok, I see a couple of you guys there on TikTok. How are you guys doing? Green or red? Taking Money is green. Almost $200. Sensor Chev. I think, right? Taking Money? Unless you gave some back. Sorry. Sensor Chev. Green on BBBY. I did not expect BBBY to make a move today. Let me look at it. It is green. It's at that $4 mark. I said maybe you get 4, but I don't think this will go 5. As a matter of fact, this would have been a nice short. Should have been a short. Rome C, I think Rome C is decently green on the day too. Nailed Bior and nailed Meta, so 2 for 2 on him. He's green. Taking Money 190. Chicago Trader green 250. Nate trades on Tradecaster small green. I think Blair called it green up $50. Zach, I know, nailed some great trades on Carvana. He got in. Zach got in Carvana right there, called it out for us, and this thing went from 7.30 all the way up to $8. Crazy trade there for Zach, and he was still holding big there. As far as still trades possible for the rest of the day, BTCM is the only one I'm looking at that, hey, this looks interesting. The Wolf is green. The Wolf of Wall Street is green. Good job, guys. Good job. Either none of us went red or the red people are hiding. They're hiding. They're hiding. That's a lie. We all went green. Good job, guys. Maybe Amazon up. BTCM is still holding, and this still has room. This stock has room on the daily. This one has room on the daily, so I would still think that even though SPY and all of those are rejected, I could see them still, or at least Tesla. I could see Tesla climb right back up because the daily on this thing is looking strong. Breaking that 124 level, 123 where we couldn't get out of, this thing should have gone, and I should have known that. I should have gone long from the beginning. I thought I could get a pullback down to retest some of those, though. We had a gap to fill now. We got a gap on the daily to fill now. It's way down here. But I really thought that we could go down and then get the run up, but now it's doing it. So let me unclutter some of this. I don't need that anymore. 130 is a high. This is just a 130 level there. Don't need that. This looks like today. This looks like today. This looks like daily level there. Fat G, man, good job. Way to sense that you weren't right on the day. Walked away, cooled off a little bit, and came back up, and now you're up almost 1,000 on the day. Good job, Fat G. Interactive brokers with Das Trader Pro. Nick Sanders music. I'm kind of Nick trades. Your next trade is SPY rejection of VWAP. Yeah, I could see SPY collapse again too. Let me look at the other account. Hold on. Give me a couple minutes, guys. Where's my NVIDIA ones? Oh, there it is. So SPY, let me look at SPY on the daily. It hit that trend line up there, that daily trend line, pulling back down, came off a nice run from 380s all the way up to 400s. Is 400s really going to just be the top like that easy and then pull back down? Nice recovery, Fadji. Hold on, Amazon. Oh, Amazon's way up there. I did have that spread open on SPY, but it looks like I'm gonna lose 500 there. It was either make 500 or lose 500 or make a little bit more 500, so I'm gonna lose that one. Totally wrong. It was like under 390, and I get my profit on SPY. Technically, it's not until 2 weeks, but looks like I'm gonna lose it. But it's a max loss already, unless some miracle happens and this thing collapses. Um, what was that? Oh. Anyways, but dunk. Why are nudists bad for the stock market? They're associated with bear markets. Oh, you should have put. Oh, I guess never mind. That makes sense. I was gonna say you should put BE. You should put BEAR like a bear. Rumsey still thinks market is bullish. What's your overall target, Rumsey? Do you think we break out on the SPY daily pennant? The wolf. Cracking some jokes. I'm self-thought. Self-thought. Never took a course, never had a mentor, never had anybody to guide me or correct me if I was wrong. So I did take the long way to learning the market. BTCM is still holding this thing. It looks interesting. It looks interesting. It looks like it wants to go for another leg. I got $20 on my Binance. Can I help? Can I get help? I'm a beginner. First of all, I trade stocks, not cryptos, so Binance is not gonna help you there. Rumsey, you think this market's gonna rip? Maybe not today, but very soon. So what time is it? 10:38. Streaming for 2 hours. Oh it's 2 hours and 30 minutes. Holy crap! What am I doing? Time to go back to sleep. I'm kidding. Let me see. I've been I need to look at something. Nope, wrong place. Alright, I need you guys' opinions on something. So, let's see. I wanted to make, obviously, for a long time, I wanted to make what's it called? Merch? Is it called merch? I'm blanking out on English right now. Like clothes, like my own brand, merch or merc? Holy crap! merch, right? Because it's merch. What does it stand for? Is it just called merch, or does it stand for merchant? This is embarrassing. Merch, short term for merchant. Okay, so yeah, any merch involving. Okay, so it is merch for short for merchandise. All right. Anyways, people too overly positioned for a recession, they're going to be forced to cover and close this market, causing it to squeeze. Is it normal? Or is it just because I speak the language and that's normal? I just was blanking out there. Anyways, so I made some stuff before. You know, I had the hats, which these I could do the same way. You know, I got the hats with my logo and stuff, and then I had the beanie with my logo, and then I got a hoodie with my logo. But honestly, the hoodie, I mean, the quality was fine. But the thing is, when I do it when printing the man, they're like charging me like 25, 30 bucks per hoodie. And I'm gonna sell them for what, 40 bucks, 50 bucks, maybe at the most. And I think if I add, the more I add, the more expensive they get. And it goes up to like 40, almost 35, 40 bucks just for me to make it and then for you guys to sell it. So obviously, I was like, you know what if I just reach out to manufacturers and stuff and make my own stuff? But then I was thinking, I'm gonna make some that are like, maybe just keep those if you guys want something with Juan trades. Obviously, you can get that. But then I also was thinking I can make some that are like not related to me, just trading wise. And I thought, you know, let me see where they at. So I got some logos done, but I don't know that I like this bear, dude. Anyway, so here are the logos. You guys tell me if you like him or not. And I thought I could make I can make a bull hoodie and I can make a bear hoodie for everybody that short sell. They can get the bear ones, and everybody that likes to go long, they can do the bull one. So this kind of the logos. The bear looks scruffy though. Does it? Is that? Or do you guys like it? Like I like the bull a lot. Looks like a chow chow. Looks like I like both, but we'll be buying the bull. I think it looks like a raccoon to me. And this is already the modified version. I told him to like make the hair down a little bit more like a bear. I told him to add the lips like the bear. But I think just overall I don't know. And then kind of as far as the hoodies, and it's gonna take me a long time because these are actually from a manufacturer, and I want to make sure that the quality is good, and they're gonna take longer to ship and stuff. So it'll be a while, but I'm doing it the right way. But this will be kind of the hoodie, you know, buy low, sell high for the bear, for the bull, kind of like that. And then kind of the green strings, and then for the other one, obviously red with the bear, and then sell high, buy low backwards. Are these pretty cool or not? But see, this is what I was saying. This has nothing with my logo, unless I can put something on the back of it. But it's gonna be a lot of people that don't want to buy Juan trades. Obviously, a lot of you guys do, but a lot of people that don't know me, I could probably advertise these as not Juan trades related, and probably sell a few more too that way. So I'll do both. I'll do these without my logo, and then some with my logo. What do you guys think? I like these. Deck mark keeps going for another leg down. Buy high, sell higher. Oh, I like that. For a little breakout. And then I could also do like a bunch of different sayings. I know a lot of you got like buy high, sell higher. I could do like smash the ass with a bid or something like that, or anyways. As far as today goes, I'm not seeing much. With a bare bottom, smash the ass with a bare bottom. On the back of it, on the back of the hoodie with the front of the face and the back with that. BTCM is the only one looking okay, but the volume is dropping. You'd like something with my logo? Let me see, where's my logo? This is my logo. I could stick this on the back. Or how about this? Who just said that? I'm gonna ask you because you commented that. I like some of your logo, Isaac. Would you like this on the front and then the bear and the bull in the back, by low, so high, whatever? Snell traits. Oh, Rome, yeah. Or would you like the bull and the bear in the front and then this in the back, or would you just like it plain with Juan traits? Bro, it's so hard to do these things. You gotta reach out to them, and then reach out to logo people, and then reach out to quality manufacturers, and props one trades on the back. Yeah, that would look cool. Like this, just giant on the back of here, buy low, sell high, and then Juan trades right here. I'll keep experimenting. Vista prints. I'm gonna look that up. Across the shoulder pad also looks good, yeah. Are you saying across the shoulder pad still upright or like actual sideways? Oh, dang it, I deleted it. Like across the shoulder pad like this? Or across the shoulder pad like that? Or like this? Like this? Upright? I'm gonna write Vista prints. Horizontal, yeah, like that. Stupid pen. I think I am trading for the rest of the day, guys. So if you guys want to head out, I might be heading out here pretty soon. Oh, come on, man. I couldn't get this pen to work on anything, and then I wrote on my chair and I did a giant check mark. My t-shirts, Punk Choppers, were sold direct by them. T-shirts and posters were great. Black Dog. Ooh, I like it. Vista Prints. I'll check them out, Storm. Thank you for that. Like bear, bull on front, and that on the back. Yeah, that'd be nice. I like that. Rome sees always 50 minutes into the future. What does he call now? Kala? Yeah, I don't know how you do these. You're looking for a dead cat bounce. Thank you, Storm and Nate Trades and all of you guys calling those plays out. I mean, not plays out, giving me feedback on the hoodies. I just thought, you know, obviously something with my logo to you guys support and stuff like that, but then I also thought something without it, so I can maybe make kind of like a trading brand or something and see if I can scale some of that too. So I thought both ways, definitely. I do like the beanies and the hats and stuff, so I'll definitely include those, and those will be um, pretty solid. I like that beanie. I wear it all the time. All right, guys. I'll definitely do all that. I got to get onto it. I told myself my priority this year was to make the whole brand and put it out there. Merch. Why does this sound weird, man? Merch. So I'll do the mugs, the hats, beanies, hoodies, shirts. Uh, maybe uh, I looked at some pants because I wear pants a lot, but I'll do that. And then that was my priority. Try to get that done here in the first 6 months of this year, so I can get it up and running. But as far as that, guys, appreciate all the support either way. I don't need you guys to buy anything. If you guys keep coming in here every single day, to support me, I appreciate that a lot. So thank you guys for doing so. Hopefully, you guys are learning a lot. I'm learning a lot from you guys. So I learned Amazon today's. Wow, it keeps dropping. Yeah, those I definitely did do before. So, but those are the ones that I'm telling you, like print, like I had made a lot, and they charged me so much. Like just to put the logo on there, it's either I buy bulk and put a lot of money, or I do print full and I make like $5 per item, which is nothing. Let me see. See, like, look, these are the pants that I had made a while ago. You know, that looks pretty nice. I like those for myself. I would wear those, but it's gonna cost me. This is without the patch. So $25 to make. Nobody wants to pay 40, $50 for sweatpants. I'd love to sell these for 25 myself, you know, for you guys. I'm not gonna overcharge y'all on anything, so I literally would not make any profit. But I like those. But either way, I'll put them up for you guys so you guys can support it. Even if I don't make profit, I'll put them up. Heh. Alright guys, I think I'm done trading for today. Appreciate all the feedback there. I'm going to work on that, get all that done, see if what I can do. Amazon, I thought it was still dropping, but big comeback up still. Looks like SPY also kind of reverts back to green for the day. You should upload them to your IG and have a poll. Yeah, I could actually. I could. I'm gonna do that options, but once I get them finalized, because I'm still waiting on the guy, and this this is the second time I tell the guy to review the bear logo, and that's what he came up with still, and I'm not really liking it, so I'm a little upset about it. I don't like that bear. It looks like a raccoon. I love the bull. The bear, not so much. Alright guys, I'm gonna head out for the rest of the days. I've said that several times, but I'm gonna head out and deal with this and reply to those people back and see what I can do. Appreciate all the feedback. Appreciate everybody coming in here on the stream, hanging out. Today was another tough day. Definitely recommend you guys go back, and if you guys are trading Tesla every day, today was kind of a little mess. I kind of felt like I was all over the place, but still had my levels. You know, this level there, and then I think at some point I ended up identifying that top at 130. So if it got held 130, I tried going long. If it didn't hold 130, I went short there. That's where I made my most of my money there. Back down. My first level down here was this 125.95. If we could flag under that, I was looking short. Didn't happen, so I got squeezed. That's why I went short, negative the first time. But then I don't remember where I ended up chasing this because I know at some point I was down another almost 900 bucks. Maybe it was short here, short there, and then kind of break you in there. So I'm gonna go back and look at this video myself. Make a bull with the bear, with the bull. Make a low with the bull ripping the bear's face off. Comedy action figure logos. Slapping it upside like. Alright, I'm out. You guys have a good rest of your day. Thank you guys for coming in here. Had TikTok up running again. Stream was good, so I'm glad about that too. You guys take care. You guys enjoy the rest of you guys' day. Short week again, man. It seems like this is the normal now. We don't trade Mondays, and we come back and trade Tuesday to Friday. It just seems like it's the norm. Anyways, you guys take care, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys go check out my recap. Just hit the like button if you guys want to watch it. But anyways, thank you guys for being here, staying all the way to the end. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another live trading session. Peace out.